Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I'm from Alaska. This is my view on my back deck here, and get to look down into the valley and enjoy all the beautiful summer. You can hear the birds singing in the background. It's a beautiful day, and I appreciate you getting on my video. Let's talk about how you make money with your smartphone. And I love to be an entrepreneur and work from home because I have 7 grandkids and a big family, and I love to be able to do stuff, have that freedom, not to be tied down to a job or my alarm clock or whatever, whatever keeps you going, and you don't have time for the things you want to do or time for life beyond work. But being able to be your own boss and stay home or be on the go, whatever you want to do, and do this is incredible. I have a very incredible system that you can earn money from your phone. We have a system right now that's being coded and put together for you. It doesn't cost you anything, but our 6-figure income earners are producing this system, and it'll be ready in a week, just 1 week, and you can get instant income on your phone. Imagine that. Here is my picture for my system, and it is an incredible opportunity for you to be able to make cash. We have the funnel set up. It's being set up for you, and you'll want to take advantage of being able to do this. And there's no ATM fees, there's no hassles. The money pops instantly in on your account on your phone. You can use that account for anything you want, and it's simple, it's easy. There's no, you gotta go to the bank, you gotta do this, you gotta do that, or whatever. It's simple and easy. You can take that money, you transfer it to a friend, you can go out to eat, you can do whatever you want with that money, and it's right in your hand. It's banking in your hand. It's income instant, because when you send money with this, it's instant to whoever you send it to. So what I suggest you do right now, go ahead and get this on your phone. Get this app on your phone. I'll have a link in the description. Get the app, get ready, get started, go to my website, get in place so you can be part of this incredible, wonderful new income stream that is so easy, works like a charm. So thanks for listening.